Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you about how to style with your data in QGIS. Okay, so after you have your data here, you have to do right click, go to property. After that you find the word symbology here. So this is your current color and your current field. So in order to change, you can find your main sample here. What you click here, you apply, okay, it will change to what you just saw. Or you can go again, property, go to symbol, and you want to change the field color, you can go there. You can select, for example, you select blue here, or you can select on here also. Just select here, it will change to this color, or select here, it will change to this color. Okay, let's try. So apply. Okay, you can see it changed to the color you just select. Or another example, we can do outline blue. It means that the outline here of your boundary is blue, while the field inside are blank. So let's try, apply. Okay, so you can see that. Or you want to change the outline to black, also you can do. Right click again, property, symbol. You change the field here. You can change the color of your outline to blacks, and you can change the size of the outline. For example, you want to change it smaller a little bit, you can reduce it to 5 or 2 based on you, and you can click apply again. Okay, you can see it changed to outline blacks and the field is blank, and the outline is a little bit small like this. And you can just property, and you can change here whatever you want, and you can increase its size based on your prefer here. Yes, it's very easy and simple.